Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to show you how to make fried rice. Stick around to find out how you can make your own. It's really easy and simple. Just follow the video and you can make your own tasty, gorgeous fried rice. This, you're going to need all of these ingredients here. Okay, you'll need some rice, some butter, lemon or lemon juice, king prawns, pork or any meat you want to pick, mixed vegetables, sliced peppers, 1 onion, and some jumbo all-purpose seasoning. Oh, and make sure you don't forget the nutmeg powder too. We've got the pork in a bowl and we're gonna put some lemon juice, or you can cut a lemon and squeeze it out onto the meat and mix that very well. Then you're going to get a couple tablespoons of jumbo seasoning. So I'm going to spread this onto the pork and I'm using the spoon to mix it in with the nutmeg powder. There we go. Then I'm going to bring in some garlic powder and also season the shrimps the same way. So get some jumbo seasoning. Okay, so once the pan is hot, put some butter in. So I've picked out the low fat butter, so I'm putting that in to fry. And once you can see it's hot, go ahead and add the pork in. And make sure you stir fry in well. Then I'm going to add in the shrimps that we seasoned earlier. We're going to add that in along with the pork. And continue stir frying it. Then we're going to put in the cut veg, so the onions that you've cut. I'm going to add that in and continue stir frying it like this. Then we're going to add our frozen veg. You can get any frozen veg you wish. So we've got all of these here. Add that in and continue stir frying it like this. And then we're going to do the same thing with the sliced peppers. And then I add a little bit more jumbo seasoning in. And I put some uncooked rice on top. And make sure you mix all of those ingredients well. I've added some water in a bit to make sure that the rice that we put in gets cooked. So once you add the water in, cover it for a little while until. Okay, afterwards I covered my rice for it to cook. Keep checking on it. I know some people prefer their rice to be cooked well or not so well done, but here it is. I've just uncovered it and it's ready to be eaten. Once your rice is cooked, you can set it on a plate. I've decided to have mine with some pork steak. So here I am, I'm plating up with some vegetables and some lettuce and with some Caesar seasoning. This stuff is really good. You guys gotta have it. And there you go. That's how you make your fried rice.